Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can download the latest version of Microsoft Office without needing any activation, paid subscription or any product key. We'll use the official Microsoft tool to ensure we download and install the genuine version of this Microsoft Office in your laptop or your PC. Just follow the steps carefully. You may do well to subscribe to this channel. It will be greatly appreciated. You open your web browser and on the address bar you go ahead and type config.office.com and press enter. This will launch us to the official Microsoft customization tool. We're going to use this to create a custom Office installer. Now you click on this create. This will open up to this very page. Now you can leave it at this 64-bit. That's the architecture of the system. You click on this Office Suite and select this Office LTSC Professional Plus 24 volume license. This contains all the Office Suite that we need for this, and with this particular one, it will not require any product key or license or paid subscription in order for us to get this. If you have 2025 or 2026 version, you can do well to select that particular one. But let's click on this one to continue. Now scroll down. Here we can just select the particular one that we need. If you need like Access, Word and the rest of them, you can just do well to tick the one you need. For me, I don't need Access. I just don't need these ones. I need only Excel, PowerPoint, and Microsoft Word. So I will leave it at this. Click on Next. Here you select the language you want this installer to be. Now let's select English United States and just click on Next. Click on Next. Scroll down and still click on Next. Click on Next. Then on Next. Then you scroll down and click on Finish. Now we are going to click on export to export all this customization that we have done. Now to do that, click on this Office Open XML format and click on OK. Click on this accept the terms in the license agreement and click on export in order to export this customization that we have done. You can see it in the download folder. The next thing we need to do is to open another tab, and on the address bar you type Office Deployment 2 and press your enter. Click on this very first link. This will bring us to this very page. Make sure English is selected in your own. Click on download to get started. You can see that the file has downloaded. Once this Office Deployment 2 is downloaded, you just simply double click on it and you click on this, click here to accept the Microsoft license term. Then click on continue. This will require or expect you to select the particular folder you want it to be. You may even do well to create a folder if you so wish. Now let's go over to our PC. Then under video, now let's say we create a folder here, and let's say the name of that particular folder is Office. Click on it, then OK it. This will be downloaded to that folder we just created. Do well to copy this to that same folder. You can just cut it and go over to video, then Office. You can see the extracted files. The next thing you need to do is to open your command prompt and run it as administrator. And the moment it's done, you just simply type cd space, copy the file part of this folder, then you paste it here and click on enter. It will now load to that particular folder that we've created. Go ahead and type this setup.exe space /configure space configuration dot XML. Then hit your enter. This will initiate the download and the installation process of Microsoft Office in your PC. Now, depending on the speed of your network, it will determine how fast this download will be. Now, let's wait for it while this is being downloaded. As you also witness it, you can do well to get started with your own. You can see that the download and installation is done right now. You can just click on this close and here type exit to close it, and you can minimize this one or just close it. And if you go over to our search bar, if you type Excel, you can see Excel is already installed. If you type Word, you can see it's already installed. And if you type PowerPoint, you can also see that this is already installed in our PC. So this is just the simple way you can download and install the latest version of Microsoft Office in your laptop or your PC.